Students, welcome to Prof Trim Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the programming fundamentals. Since programming is now essential to everyone, even with kids, so it's really good to start when you are in school. So let your kids start, or if you are a kid, then I'll start today about discussing what are the fundamental things you should know about programming. First thing is coding. As this word is now everywhere famous for all of the things it has done, because we can do many things, many things with coding. So as you all know, it is a kind of literacy, we can say, for the 21st century and the upcoming centuries. So it is the basic thing which the kids should know while studying. So why should kids learn coding? Because coding nurtures every creative expression. Coding for kids is fundamental exercise, starting with something or nothing and finishing with something very creative. So this is the first thing why the kids should learn coding. And second is the programming demystifies tech. It based on technology. We can develop many things when we are doing code. So this is the basic things which the kids should learn in 21st century. And of course, if they know how to create something, if they know how to use the logics behind creating anything, they can develop any of the things in this world. So this is the basic thing which the kids should know. And children learn coding by thinking about doing something. Children learn best through doing and exploring. And with programming, children learn to think literally when faced with a problem. They can find their solutions by problem solving given at instant, or they can learn it by practicing more and more things, just like maths. When we know that 2 plus 2 is 4, but we can develop our other skills in maths by practicing it, even make our kids more better. So this is the basic things why we should learn coding. Now in after coding there is a word called algorithm. Now what is algorithm? It is just a set of rules that defines a sequence of operations. That means when you code or when you program, you give instructions to the system or a computer, and the computer will do certain tasks which your instructions are about. So for example, in activity 1, if we can say that leaving the house routine, what should be the sequence while leaving your house? So for leaving the house, we can follow these 7-8 steps. First, I can pick up my keys, then I can pick up my purse, then I can walk to the front door, open the door, or you can walk through the gap if there is a corridor in between. Then you can walk through the gap, close the window behind, and finally lock the door. After following these type of procedures, we can leave the home. So algorithm is just like this thing, that there is a certain procedures or certain sequential steps which we should do to we can say to something we are going to do. For that process we have to follow certain procedures, and for that procedures we can move on. So this is the first thing we can think about algorithm. And these algorithms, when written in some programming languages, it become coding. So this is the way a coding process. Thank you very much for this.